Tropical blooming foliage is a wonderful addition to your summer garden. With so many beautiful colors to choose from, they add so much, and the pollinators just love them. Here we have mandevilla with this bright pink color. There are also whites and light pinks. That tubular shaped flower is always a favorite of hummingbirds and butterflies. Now this has a trailing habit, so you need to support it with trellising or grow it in a container where it can spill over. It does especially well in hanging baskets to provide that color during the summertime that you're looking for. This is bougainvillea, another trailing tropical blooming plant that has these very unique flowers. There are some thorns here on this plant, so be careful with that, but very unique. And again, the pollinators just love it, coming in a variety of shades for the flower. Now these should be trellised or grown in a hanging basket because of that habit. And of course, don't forget about our tropical hibiscus with those beautiful flowers in many shades. And then there's this beautiful yellow esperanza that we have here. So all tropical blooming plants that are great for the summertime. They love full sun, the heat and humidity that they're just so accustomed to. They will provide bloom after bloom for the summertime. Don't require a whole lot. Make sure that they get water in times of drought. They will do very well in containers because they're tropical. They will die back in freezing temperatures. If you want to keep them year-round, move them into your patio or into protected areas. And you can provide them with a liquid fertilizer or a slow-release fertilizer to continue those blooms. So don't forget about tropical blooming plants for your summer garden. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.